So today I wanted to share with you one of our family's favorite drinks that we make around the holiday season. You can have it any time of year, but we usually like to drink a lot of it this time of year when it's a little chillier, you're inside a little more, you want something cozy to warm up with, and it also makes your house smell wonderful and Christmassy. So I wanted to share it with you. So this recipe is originally from a cookbook called the Whole Life Nutrition Cookbook. These are two people that we went to school with. They have amazing cookbooks. They have a blog called Nourishing Meals. So that is where that came from, and why I love this recipe is because instead of using a black tea, they use dandelion root as the base of the tea. And so dandelion root has wonderful liver supportive qualities, gentle detoxifying qualities, and so that's a wonderful thing and something that is great for our kids to have as well. So this recipe has a tablespoon of dried dandelion root, two 2-inch whole pieces of cinnamon, and I just break them up, 5 to 6 whole green cardamom pods, and I just use the side of a knife to kind of pop those open so that those inner aromatic little cardamom pieces can be exposed, a teaspoon of whole cloves, a teaspoon of whole black peppercorn, and then fresh ginger, 1 inch and just thinly sliced. And so you can add all of that. Sometimes I also like to add a tablespoon of fennel. I find that sweetens it. Then I don't need to add as much honey at the end. It's also great for your digestion. You can also add 2 star anise buds for a little more flavor, 4 of those allspice berries. And so then you want to add 4 cups of water. You want to bring that all to a boil, and then once it's boiling, you want to reduce down to a simmer, put that lid on and simmer it for about 15 minutes to get a good decoction, get all those goodies out of the herbs. Then you want to take it and strain it, and then actually when I make it, I triple the recipe by 3, and I find that that then gives me 2 good mason jar sizes that we can then leave in the fridge. And then when we're ready to have it, we just heat that up, fill the cup with about 3/4 of the chai, about 1/4 of any type of milk of your choosing. We like to just, heat it up. We have an espresso frother, which makes it really easy. And then you can add as much honey as you like to taste. And there you go. You can even sprinkle a little bit of nutmeg on top, and it makes a really delicious treat. So I hope you enjoy it. Cheers.